Our interdisciplinary team have been working on a project to improve the experience of giving and receiving feedback within the university. We have held focus groups speaking with markers and students to understand the areas for improvement with the current feedback practices. The purpose of the feedback workshop with students is to try and aid their understanding of what happens with their reports once they are handed in through Canvas. The workshop is split into two parts. In the first half, students complete a questionnaire and provide feedback on a report with just the report outline and rubric for aid. In the second half, they provide feedback for another report using the software integrated feedback tool Swift, which is designed to improve efficiency of providing feedback and the quality of feedback. This is then followed by another questionnaire. These sessions typically have group discussion points so students can share their experience and learn from the shared experiences. By assuming the role of the marker, we find that students are able to more critically think about their own work and the marker's expectations. This change in their mentality can have a positive effect on their expectations and understanding when starting to write future reports. The Swift team has put together a guide for academics to hold their own workshops, containing suggested schedules, questionnaires, reports and templates that can be used. A link is in the description below.